Hello, so in this particular video we will be installing Active Directory, and we will show you how to configure Active Directory and DNS on top of Windows Server 2012. So for that you need to log into the box and open Server Manager, okay, and then you need to go to Manage and click Add Roles and Features, okay. So this will open a dialog box. You need to select Next, okay, and we'll be selecting role and feature based installation. Click Next, and this is our machine which we have renamed, that is DC01, and also we have put the static IP address on it, okay. So now you need to select that machine and click Next. So for installing Active Directory we need to enable this particular role, which is called Active Directory Domain Services. So when they select this, it will also try to add some new features which are required. So we will click this add features, which are by default adding with Active Directory services. You can click Next and click Next and another Next, okay, and then you need to hit install, okay. So once this process is starting and once it is complete, so you will see there is a notification bar. There will be a notification for us to promote this particular machine to a domain controller, okay. So once this task is complete, okay, now you can see this task is complete. I can close this, and there is a exclamation mark if I click the notification bar, and you can see from here it gives me a post deployment configuration which says promote the server to the domain controller, okay. So we'll click this and another dialog box will open and show us that you can create a new or add this particular machine to an existing domain. But at this moment what we need to do is we will be adding a new forest and totally a brand new Active Directory, okay. So we will be giving it name as AIK lab.local, okay. So this is our domain name, what will be aiklab.local. So we will be selecting Next. So I like this particular what I can say in this dashboard, which is new to Windows Server 2012. This is giving you a single pane, and where you need to select the functional level, domain functional level, forest functional level, domain functional level. And as we are using the latest versions only in this environment, so we are not really bothering about going down the function level of this particular domain, okay. And this machine is also going to act as a DNS and also as a global catalog, okay. And here we need to put a directory service restore mode password, which will be again a strong password. It's your choice, you want to keep it the same password, but I would prefer to put a new password rather having the same password, okay. So in our case we are just trying to put a new password. Okay, and it says there is something not correct, so I will be putting it okay. So now seems to be correct, and I have the next option, so I will click Next, okay, and I will click Next again, and this will also validate the NetBIOS domain name. So NetBIOS is used in case of Win servers where we are using any what you can say Active Directory domain services, but still we have NetBIOS in this, so it is keeping the NetBIOS name as AIK lab. I will be clicking Next. Okay, so these are the folders which are very important, like database folder. Database is consisting the Active Directory database, which is there in C Windows NTDS, and log folder is also there C Windows /NTDS. And if you talk about sysvol folder, that is also located in C Windows /sysvol, okay. You can click Next, and now you can see it will give you a summary what are the things you have selected, and you can also view a script which is a PowerShell script. And this we will be also talking about a little bit of PowerShell in this particular course, and we will be doing some nice things with the help of PowerShell. And if you want, you can save this particular script and use it for deploying future Active Directory service. Okay, so in this I will be clicking next, and this is again a very good feature which is there in Windows Server 2012, which is doing a prerequisite check of this particular machine, that this machine can be promoted as a domain and Active Directory service. Okay, so at this moment, if we have warning, there is no really critical alert or error which we can really highlight, but at this moment, yes, we can install and build this machine to a domain controller and promote Active Directory. Okay, so I will hit install, and this process will take a little bit of time, and once this process is being complete, this machine will ask to do a quick reboot. Once the machine is being rebooted, our domain services are ready and we can log in and check how the things look like. So now you can see this task is complete and the machine will going to reboot, and once this machine is rebooted, we can see this machine is coming to live with domain services. Okay, machine is up. Let's log in and check. Okay, now you can see it says like AIKLab/administrator, so we are logging into the domain. Okay, so I would also like to launch few more tools which are there in Active Directory, like dsa.msc, which is Active Directory users on computers. So in this we can create objects and we will be doing some more stuff with this. And also you can also launch one more thing, which is DNS console, DNS management console from DNS mgmt.msc. okay, so that is again a console on which you can really do DNS management. So you can see the forward lookout zone, we have our AIKLab and DC01 is added. So hope this particular video is informative. We will be moving out and see you in the next video.